guys, and welcome. My Lovelula box is here. I can't wait to dive into this. But before we do dive into this box, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you love all things beauty like we do, then hit that subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair, and let's go. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Lovelula, it is a monthly beauty subscription service, and it's a organic, fair trade. It's natural beauty. It's vegan, cruelty-free. In my view, it's absolutely wonderful, and I love it. And you never know what you're going to get either. It's the items in there are so random, which I really like. So yeah, I will put all the details down below on how much I pay. I'm pretty sure they ship internationally as well, so go and have a look, and I will link to their website too, so you can go and check it out for yourself. Now, every month we get a leaflet. So in here you get 20, you've got a discount code on the front, you've got 20% off of the items in the box for 1 month. So for the whole of March, well, this says it's valid until the 10th of March, I get 20% off of what's in my box, which is really cool, which I like. The value of this month's box is a whopping £70. Now that's a huge value, considering what I pay. I think it's about £15, I think. So I really like that. I'm going to give you a cheeky sneak peek. There we go. Normally we get sort of little cardboard squiggles. Now we've got these, and I'm pretty sure these are the things that you can they're like polystyrene, but they're not. I think they're made up of like rice paper or something. Pop these in your compost, recycle them, or I think if you run these under the tap, they turn into absolute nothing, which is absolutely cool. So yeah, let's dive in. And the first item we've got is from the brand Organic Works Scotland, and it's the Daily Hydration Renewal Night Cream. There's 50 ml in here, and it says there's vitamin E. I like that. Nice pump as well. Nice compact. This is quite weighty too, which I really like. I'm going to pump a tiny bit out on the back of my hand, just because I want to see what it's like. And it just squirted. There we go. Very light fragrance, which is nice. The item from the Organic Works I've used before was the Rose cleanser, and it was so strong that I had to stop using it. Yeah, but I really like that. It's rubbed in really well. It doesn't feel overly greasy. It's got like a balmy kind of after feel to it. Yeah, I like that. On the back of these you always get some information from Lovelula. So it says the Renewal Night Cream, renew and hydrate skin whilst you sleep, packed with organic essential oils including relaxing lavender to nourish, balance and restore skin. And it says it's 100% vegan. So I like that. I'm looking forward to trying that. Now the next item we've got here, I love this brand. It's from the Balm Balm. It's 100% organic, and it is the Huggy, I think, hand and body balm. I do like this. I love their balms. I tend to rub them on the really dry areas of my skin, like elbows, knees, ankles, and occasionally, if they're not overly oily, I will use them on my face last thing at night. So yeah, here we go. That's what it looks like. How many grams have we got in here? It says 60 ml, so that's not bad. This is probably full size, which is really cool. Look at that. Now I'm wondering as well, because a lot of these you can use as makeup remover balms, which I have done before, and this feels like you can use it for the same thing as well. So that's probably what I'll use it for. It's very oily, and it's got that kind of removing balm kind of texture to it. That's got ginger in it. I can smell ginger. That smells really nice, but I need a wipe because I'm now absolutely smothered in oil. I do like that though. I probably would use it as a makeup removing balm. And Lovelula have said it's a warming and conditioning balm that ensures your skin is nourished and cared for during the colder months. That's cool, because when it gets colder my skin does tend to dry out a bit more. And it says the beeswax and jojoba oil keeps moisture locked in, and the shea butter, calendula oil and essential oils condition your skin. Essential oil of clove, sweet orange, mandarin provide a comforting sense. That's what I can smell, the clove, but it smells gingery. But yeah, it's not overly strong, but because that is so oily, I will use this to remove makeup. because it would be really good. I normally go over my face with a balm, but I don't use it around the eyes, and then I wet a really nice soft cloth and then go in and remove it all off. Then a second cleanser. So yeah, I will use that for that. We have another one. The next item is from the brand Ooh, and it's the organic milk truffle face oil. Now, I got a bit annoyed a little while ago because we were getting almost one of these a month, and I probably had about 5 of them. But where my skin is so dry, I am using oil every night just before I go to bed, a couple of hours after I do my skincare routine. So I'm ploughing through oil. So I'm a bit annoyed that we got another one, but on the other hand, I'm quite happy because I've got more oil. And I've not tried this one, Milk Truffle. I'm just going to see if it has any fragrance. We got a nice dropper, which is really cool, which is handy when it comes to oil. Can't really smell anything. You don't want to have, you know, oil everywhere where you're trying to squeeze it out. So yeah, on the fence with it, shall I say. And it says, ooh, oils of heaven, milk thistle face oil. It's not truffle, it's thistle. And it says, extracted from the ripe seeds of the milk thistle plant, it is nutritive and protective and gentle enough for most sensitive skins. Use as an overnight treatment for the face, neck or décolletage, or during the day for an extra intensive boost of hydration. So yeah, I will give that a go. I've got a couple of oils on the go already at the moment, but yeah, I quite like that. And the last item we have here, I'm really intrigued. It's from PHB Ethical Beauty, and it's the Lash and Brow Growth Serum. It's organic, vegan, cruelty-free. It has absolute tons of information on the side, loads and loads of bits and bobs, which is cool. I have used an eyebrow serum, but I've never used a lash serum. Now this looks cool. I like the packaging. This is weighty, and this will be full size as well. And I can imagine this to be quite pricey. There is the wand, so it's like your nice mascara wand. It looks like the serum is white, but it will probably dry clear. No fragrance at all. I'm really interested in trying this, and it says it's 100% natural serum that enhances hair growth and strength for fuller lashes and brows, so you can use it in your brows as well. Made with growth boosting biotin and caffeine oils, plus conditioning castor oil and protein rich biobab, I think, to repair and strengthen. I'm hoping I've pronounced that right. And I'm just going to see what Lovelula have said. It says it's 100% natural, vegan and non-toxic serum that enhances natural hair growth and strength for fuller looking lashes and brows, pH balance for sensitive eyes, which is fabulous. And I will say, I was a bit cheeky. I used this morning because I saw it had arrived. And I was like, I'm going to give that a go because I've not tried it. And it really is sensitive on the eyes. I've had no stinging, no trouble at all. It applied well, dried down, and it's not messed with my mascara. So yeah, this is going straight into my everyday skincare routine, I think, night and day, and see how it goes. Yeah, and we have an empty box full of the little polystyrene rice squiggly things, whatever they are. Right, I now need some tea. So I like this box. The oil I'm on the fence with, like I said, but yeah, I'm using loads of them, so having another oil. Really intrigued as to see how this works. Like I said, I didn't like the cleanser from that brand that I used, but yeah, I will give it a go. And this I will definitely use as cleansing balm. It is really, really oily, which is good because it's going to give me hydration at the same time. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you thought of this box. And yeah, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to have some tea. I think I need something to eat. My brain keeps going blank. So yeah, thanks for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye-bye.